Hello. Have you ever made a snack mix with different goodies like nuts, raisins, and chocolate chips? That's a mixture. A mixture is when you put different things together and they're all mixed up, but they do not change into something new. And guess what? We can unmix them. That's called separation. Let's explore how we can separate solid mixtures. The easiest way to separate a solid mixture is sometimes just to pick things out you want. Imagine you have that snack mix and you only want the chocolate chips. You can just pick them out one by one. This works great when the pieces are big enough to see and grab. It's like sorting your books on a shelf. But what if the pieces are different sizes, like if you have a mix of sand and pebbles? Picking them apart would take a long time. That's where sieving comes in. A sieve is like a special net with holes. The smaller things, like the sand, fall through the holes, but the bigger things, like the pebbles, stay behind. It's like magic, but it's science. Now let's say you have a mix of iron filings, kind of tiny bits of iron, and sand. Picking them apart or sieving wouldn't work very well, but we can use a magnet. A magnet is a special object that can pull on some metals like iron. If you move a magnet over that mixture, the iron filings will stick to the magnet and the sand will be left behind. How cool is that? Another way to separate some solid mixtures is by floating. This works when one part of the mixture floats in water and the other part sinks. Imagine you have a mix of sawdust and pebbles. If you put them in water, the sawdust will float and the pebbles will sink. Then you can carefully scoop off the sawdust and the pebbles will be left behind at the bottom. Why do we bother separating mixtures? Well, there are a lot of reasons. Sometimes we want to get something pure, like separating salt from a mixture so we can use that salt in our food. Sometimes we want to recycle, like separating the different types of plastic so they can be made into something new. And sometimes it's just fun to see how things can be unmixed. So the next time you see a mixture, remember you have the skills to separate it. You can pick it, sieve, use magnets, or even make things float. There's a whole world of separating adventures waiting for you. Thank you for watching.